Hi guys, today is a beautiful sunny day in Chicago and I want to show you how to install CYBERBEANS Mud Flaps on Tesla Model Y. You will need mud flaps on your Tesla Model Y, not only to keep your car cleaner but also to protect rear door's bottom part from rocks and prevent chips. I had them installed like a couple months ago, and to make this video I had to remove them. So I removed only left side to show how to install them again. This is front and rear mud flaps. They came with 10mm key for rear mud flaps installation. Also they came with fasteners, 2 for each mud flap. Use the longer fasteners for front mud flaps and shorter for rear. Let's jump into installation process. I really like quality of the product. The mounting part is harder plastic and the bottom part is softer rubber, so you should never break it. To install mud flap on your front left wheel, you need to turn steering wheel left. First you need to remove original fasteners. Use some thin instrument. Pull the center part out and then pull the fastener. Same with the second one, only 2 clips here. To install mud flaps, you don't use old fasteners as they are short. You use fasteners from the package. First you need to push these clips on place. Align the holes. And then push the fastener 1 and 2. Once they in place, you just close the fastener. For the rear mud flaps, the process is similar. First you need to remove 2 fasteners, but then you need to unscrew this 10mm bolt. Installation is similar to the front. First you push this part on place, then align holes, push fasteners and screw 10mm bolt back from the bottom. That's enough. Thank you for watching. Please thumbs up if you like the video, follow and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. See you next time. So, if you will install them, do not even try to remove them. Otherwise, you're gonna get into trouble.